Welcome to the future of poultry farming with DHGreen Farm. Discover the AS580 aviary system, an advanced solution for outstanding productivity and optimal living space for your flock. The AS system is uniquely designed to optimize productivity while ensuring ample living space. Observe how the hens easily move between tiers, demonstrating rapid adaptation and comfort in this modern environment. Efficient ventilation ensures fresh, clean air at all times. Beyond just space, Techno ensures the highest egg quality. Smartly designed nesting boxes facilitate clean and easy egg collection. Flexibility is key. Techno's AS systems offer diverse configurations, adaptable to any shed type. This allows for high stocking density, maximizing production efficiency while upholding the highest standards of quality and animal welfare. A robust structure featuring self-supporting slabs enables multiple rearing levels, intelligently maximizing the use of building space. An ideal living environment is maintained through advanced ventilation and climate control systems, from circulation fans to tunnel ventilation, ensuring optimal health and growth for the flock. Operation made easy. Farmers can conveniently conduct overall inspections. The automated feeding system with its pipes and chain feeders ensures even and precise feed distribution to every bird, reducing waste and labor effort. Clean water is always available with the automatic nipple drinker system featuring convenient drip cups, meeting the flock's continuous hydration needs. Egg collection is fully automated. The conveyor belt system operates gently, transporting eggs safely from the nests to the collection point, minimizing breakage and ensuring hygiene. House cleaning has never been simpler. The automated manure removal belt system operates efficiently beneath the tiers, keeping the environment clean and dry, improving bird health and air quality. Manure is transported neatly out of the building. Explore further options with the AS480 Plus and AS540, intelligent multi-tier designs that optimize space and farming efficiency. Techno's aviary systems are designed to enhance poultry welfare while ensuring high productivity and economic efficiency for your farm. The automatic chain-driven nest closure system helps manage laying times effectively and keeps the nesting areas clean. Lighting is crucial. Techno's modern programmable LED lighting system simulates natural dawn and dusk cycles, adjusting intensity and color to create an optimal environment for bird behavior and productivity. A comprehensive ventilation system, including inlets, cooling pads, and high-capacity fans, creates a perfect microclimate. For the crucial rearing phase, Techno introduces the ideal FAS rearing system. This specialized multi-tier design replicates natural day-night cycles with its lighting system, fostering healthy chicks and pullets that can move easily in clean, safe spaces. The water and feed lines are height adjustable, adapting perfectly to each growth stage, ensuring every bird receives the best care. Safe and efficient operation requires only minimal operator input. Introducing the AS250 system, a choice trusted and valued by major distribution chains. This system guarantees maximum freedom of movement for laying hens, a fundamental aspect of animal welfare. When birds are healthy and comfortable, productivity is naturally enhanced. Techno, providing advanced, efficient, and sustainable poultry farming solutions. Enhance productivity, ensure animal welfare, and optimize profitability for your farm. Choose Techno for outstanding results. Would you try this farming method? Or do you have any tips to share? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new farming content. Thanks for watching DHGreen Farm. See you in the next one. Happy farming!